Here's my review for this Philips 3200 series, and you can make espresso, cappuccino and latte with this machine. Let's start off with the Pro. The machine is easy to operate, simple interface that allows you to customize your coffee according to your preference. You pour the milk in here and it will produce this creamy foam within a very short period of time, and I notice there's no mess and it is easier to clean. You can also adjust the strength, the temperature and the volume of your coffee to suit your taste. This is very good, especially if you're a strong coffee drinker, so you want to adjust this to your preference. I think the design, it's not really that big. It doesn't take up too much space on the countertop, making it suitable for a smaller kitchen. Now let's come to the con side. I think the price is on a higher end. It's not suitable for people with a tight budget. Some users will find that the machine construction feel a little bit cheap because some part like here is made of plastic. And also I think that the water reservoir is not that big, so you need to fill them up frequently if you are the type who drink a lot of coffee every day. Even though this machine is easy to clean, but you need some regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Overall, I think if you want to invest in a coffee machine like this, if you have the budget, I think this is a very good buy. I find that this machine is still worth it considering how much it can do. And I hope this review is helpful.